I'm Josh with Woodland Mills, and this is the overview video for the WC46 PTO-driven wood chipper. This wood chipper is specifically designed for subcompact tractors. I want to start with its compatibility. It's got category 1 3-point hitch, and it's quick attach compatible, so the geometry's been set up for quick attach. It's PTO shaft driven at 540 RPMs. It's got an independent hydraulic system that's driven by a belt to our hydraulic pump. The PTO shaft comes with it. It's trimmable in length and it's shear pin protected. We use a clamshell design to house the flywheel. The clamshell design is hinged. You can open it up for accessibility. It gives you full access to what's going on inside. We have a locking pin, which is going to allow you to lock the flywheel in position so you can service the blades without any worry of the flywheel spinning. In this chipper, we use a 4-blade design because the flywheel is spinning at 540 RPMs. We're making 4 cuts per turn. The blades are pocketed into the flywheel. The flywheel itself is a 3/4 inch thick, 18-inch diameter. The paddles extend out to a 24-inch diameter, which gives us a better tip speed and a better discharge of the chips that we're making. We have a speed controller, which is going to allow us to control the infeed speed of the material being pulled into the chipper. We have a forward, neutral, and reverse that's connected to a safety bar here at the back. So this allows us to control, again, the inflow of material into the chipper. It's got a lock position and a control position. In the lock position, it allows you to rotate the infeed chute up for storage, and it's going to rest here on this cushion. That's also good for transport when you're going through tight areas, so it doesn't swing at the back. We'll look and see behind these plastic curtains, you'll see the infeed roller with the chisel knives on it. The infeed area is 6 inches wide and 4 inches high, so with this roller all the way up, we can accommodate 4-inch material below it at a width of 6 inches all the way to the flywheel. That infeed roller rides on an infeed carriage that has springs that allow us to preload them based on the size of material we're using and how much force we want on that material to draw it into the chipper. Our flange bearings that roller ride on have a grease nipple for service, as well as the main shaft that carries the flywheel, which is a 2-inch shaft, is also greasable with 2 flange bearings that hold it. Our anvil or bed plate is adjustable. It's got the 3 bolts to torque it into place, and you can set the depth off the cutting blades by using the handle here. With the independent hydraulic system, we don't need any connections to your tractor other than the PTO shaft, but it also means we have a reservoir for some hydraulic fluid. It takes 17 liters, 4.5 gallons, and the fill cap's here. The filters are all built inside the tank. The manual tube, which is located at the back, that houses the product manual, which is going to give all your maintenance, your assembly, how to trim your PTO shaft, and how to get the chipper set up. It also has the hardware kit within it. So there is some assembly required. It takes between an hour and 2 hours to get this assembled and off the crate. And the hardware to do that is inside the manual tube. The discharge chute is 360 degrees rotatable using an index. You can lock it in the down position, rotates 360, locks back in. It also has a chip deflector, which allows you to place the chips close to the chipper or as far away as possible or anywhere in between. This has been the overview video for the WC46 PTO driven wood chipper. If you'd like more information, please see our full length video. This has been Josh with Woodland Mills.